I have OPPO A71. Let me show you how to enable Portable Hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. From the list of settings, you need to find other wireless connections. Let's choose here personal hotspot, and here you can enable your personal hotspot by using that switcher. So then you can also configure the hotspot by using personal hotspot settings, and you can change network name, security type and the passcode. Alright, so let me go back, and if you would like to disable the hotspot, let's use the same switcher. Now you can use your device in a normal way. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.